Hi, welcome to Joe Thing Vlog. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make rice and peas with oxtail. Alright, so first thing first, when you are going to make your rice and peas, you soak your peas from like overnight before you use it. Alright, so you're gonna put in the peas in the pot to pressure with some piece of garlic inside there. This is the way how my mother does it. Okay. Okay, so at this time we're gonna be adding a piece of thyme, scotch bonnet pepper, and a piece of scallion, and also we're gonna add in some coconut milk powder. Stir thoroughly and cover and allow it to simmer. So you wash your rice thoroughly and prepare it to be placed in the pot with the peas and the other seasoning to allow that to simmer down. Okay, so you check on your rice and it should look like this. Should be able to turn your stove off. Alright, so people, this is what the seasoned oxtail looks like. You see some scallion in there, some tomato, some thyme, browning, and soya sauce. You know, the regular season. Sorry that I didn't get to show you guys how she had seasoned it up, but probably next time we'll do a video pertaining only to making oxtail. Make sure your pot is well hot. You put your oxtail in there one at a time, and then you cover it and allow it to brown on each side a bit before you then check on it and add a bit of water, and then you allow that to pressure down. After a few minutes, you check on your oxtail to see if it's tender enough before you add your broad bean and seasoning.